Hello everybody, my name is Sam, aka Samster, and we're back here in the shop with the lift at the moment with the 1973 Saab Sonett project. This is episode 1/2, I don't know yet, of restoring this thing. Still pretty much in the early stages. I got it driving, I got it running fairly okay since the last video where it was missing and bogging like heck. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually start messing with the braking system. So let's get to it. Okay, so I already got it on the lift, as you can see. I got it put up with the jack stand supports and stuff. So once we raise that guy up, we'll start messing with the front discs. We'll do that first. Okay, now we got it on the lift, and El Dumbasso didn't loosen the lug nuts yet, or lug bolts, so time to put it back down. Okay, so the thing about these rims is once it's up on the lift and stuff, you know, getting these things off, since they're actually bolt kind of lug nuts that are actually threaded bolts, there's no ring that goes on here, and there's of course no studs sticking out. So once you take this off, you got to take this one off last and hold it so you can actually get this rim off if it's floating, like say if it's jacked up or on the lift. So just be careful if I just had to be careful when to take that off, or else it'll just go whoop, fall off. And then if we come to the other side, there's the wheel, of course. We'll come to the other side and do this one. All right, so first look on the rotors and stuff. Rotors look okay, just a bit rusty coating and stuff. This is obviously when I took it to the top of the street, this part's rubbing a bit more. But that looks all right. Can't really see it, but the pads, there's actually quite a bit of meat on those pads that are on there so far, and same on the back. There's no big scrapes or anything, so that's pretty nice. Of course, it spins pretty good. It's got to turn the transmission and stuff, so it's not going to spin completely freewheel, but pretty darn nice. Everything up here is pretty good. I think I mentioned in the first/last video, there is hardly any rust in this thing, so pretty darn happy with that. All right, let's go check out the other side. There's the two soccer ball reels. And then this side, much darker for you guys to see, but it's the same deal. This one spins a tiny bit nicer. It's more trued, I guess, and no big gaps or gashes in there either. A lot of meat on those rims too, or on those pads. So, looking pretty good. That looks really cool, like that. I just looked at that. Oh my God.